Welcome back to another Python tutorial. So here we're looking at some mathematical functions, and we'll quickly go over to them and explain what they are. Some mathematical functions like pi, square roots, sines, cosines, they are all present in Python, okay? Or they are variable for use. For you to be able to use them, you need to import them from the mass module. And how do you do that? You can say from, is that my from mass imports, put a asterisk at the end. So we can have sine, built-in function, you have cos, built-in function, you have pi, this is the value of pi, you have square roots, built-in function. So you can see these guys, they're very fine and are very cool. Remember, you can continue to use your project here and use print. I'm not going to do this, because if I should be doing this, I have to be saving my project every time. Okay, so what I would advise you to always run your project here and save, so that in future you can always make a reference and they're going to enjoy it. Okay, so it's very easy. So if I want to check sine 90, let's check sine 90. So this is my sine 90. And what if I want to check cos 90? I'm going to check cos 90. This cos 90. And if I want to check square root of 81, click square root of 81. And what if I'm going to check pi multiply by cos 45? Syntax error. What happened, guys? Pi, I left this guy open, I didn't close it. Multiply by cos 45. So it's cool. Invalid syntax. I hate seeing these guys whenever I'm programming. I don't like it at all. I hate making mistakes, and I don't know why. And whenever you don't want to make mistakes, that is when you're making mistakes. So I have learned to relax my mind, and that is the first thing you have to do if you're a programmer, because most of us as programmers don't like making mistakes, and that moment we don't want to make mistakes, that is time we keep making mistakes, one hell of mistakes or the other. Now let's do a simple mathematical calculation that is going to calculate the perimeter of a circle, and that is very cool. So let me say diameter is equal to 10, and the perimeter is equal to 2 multiply pi, check for the formula, and you know if we are correct, times the diameter. Now the perimeter is equal to 62.83. So guys, it's very cool. Okay, so these are mathematical functions we have. They are very interesting. They're very interesting, and I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next tutorial. We'll do something very awesome again, very cool and very amazing, because most people are like, wow, so programming is just very easy like this. Yes, it's very easy this way using Python, and I hope it's all in Python that it will work just straightforward without coding much. So thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. I'll do something very cool again, very awesome and very interesting again.